Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tajari. I am a Christian lifestyle creator, and on my channel, I take you on the journey of my Christian life or life as a Christian. So here I post get ready with me's, adventure vlogs, weekends in my life. I take you guys to concerts with me. I take you guys on adventures. And last but not least, I talk about God. So, today I will just be talking about something that I would say I hold very dear to my heart, and that is life of a Christian content creator. I'll be talking about the good, the bad, the highs, and of course, the lows. So, I made my pointers. Of course, you guys know I always do. So, grab a cup of your favorite drink and sit back, relax, and listen to what I have learned so far on my journey of being a Christian content creator. So, I made a few pointers, of course. So, the calling. To be honest, the calling of a Christian content creator, I know this is something that will definitely feel different. It would be something that a lot of persons won't understand because as a Christian creator, it is your duty. I always say that it's your duty to entertain your Christian companions. Entertain them in such a way where they won't miss not watching a vlog. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, Christians, we all need something to watch. We all need vlogs to partake in. And I say that I am a lifestyle content creator. So it is my aim to show Christians, especially Christian women, that Christian life no boring. I have said it a lot of times and I will continue to say it. It's my aim to show especially females that you can still look good, you can be yourself, and you can do it in a manner that will show Christ. And with that, I always um think about the scripture. So the scripture is 1 Corinthians 10 verse 31. Whatever you do, do it for the glory of God. Sometimes it's not just a post. Sometimes it's not just a reel. Not even sometimes. It's not just a post and it's not just a reel. It's showing It's showing an audience how good God is, or how great God's blessings are, or just echoing the goodness of God. Sometimes we sit and we think about those concepts. Now, this is for somebody that wants to be a Christian creator. I don't know who I'm talking to right now. Sometimes we sit and we think of the concepts and God shows, but we let fear, we let pride, we let those things come in the way a lot. And I'm talking to myself even. We oftentimes let those things come into the way of us creating and us putting it out there. When we are creating, we can't just create for views and we can't just create to go viral because we have to always remember the aim. Honestly, being a Christian creator, the pressure is so real. It is so real because sometimes you're spending the hours to think of concepts, you're spending the hours editing, and you're not seeing the results, you're not getting the views that you have anticipated. And I always say, may I post things about God and may I post things about glorify God, but yet still the views seems as if it's not moving. But let us not just look at it as views. Let us look at it as if we are sowing seeds into the lives of persons that are watching our videos. Because remember, it's not all of the time we going to get to the end stage where the seed was already sowed, somebody watered, somebody plowed, and then we are reaping. A lot of the times, through our actions, through our obedience, through our diligence, we sow seeds. And with the seeds that we sow, when we continue to post and we continue to do what the Lord has laid on our heart, we germinate. We germinate those seeds that we sow. So we're not, as Christian creators, and I'm even speaking to myself, we're not supposed to look at going viral. We're not supposed to look at the views. We're not supposed to look at the hype that we get from the video. I mean, to see your hard work go out and to see the views and to see the reaction, it's good, it's encouraging, but not every day will be like that. So let us just not look at it like that. You see, as a Christian creator, community is so important. I think it is one of the most important things. It's not even just as a creator, but as Christians overall. Community is so important because it is then with your community that you'll be able to continue your journey as a creator, continue your journey as a Christian, because trust me, the Lord is so intentional, and He is even intentional with the people that He have placed in my life. And I don't want to name names, and I'm not going to name names, but you guys know yourselves, the encouragement, the pressure, the constant reminders that, hey, get on your Zoom. And I thank God for that. Sometimes this video is a little vulnerable, but I sometimes want to quit. I genuinely sometimes want to quit creating content. And people may say, but wow, you're growing, and wow, you're doing good things. Sometimes it does not feel as if I am doing good enough. It's as if I have it's as if I have imposter syndrome. It's as if I don't even know if what I'm posting is my authentic self. Sometimes I don't think what I'm posting is Christian enough. Sometimes I don't think what I'm posting is worthy to be viewed. But again, it comes back to community. It comes back to those constant prayers that my community holds me up with. It comes back with the constant reminders that you are doing the Lord's work. It comes back to those constant encouragement that keep going, keep pushing, keep filming, keep posting, keep editing. It's those constant reminders day in, day out. It's the reminders of, so what we post in weekend, so what we're looking forward is the constant commenting and the constant encouragement that genuinely keeps me going. Because I know if I did not have those encouragement, I would have stopped posting content. I wouldn't even be sitting here right now talking about being a Christian content creator. I think, and also I think this is one of like the hardest content creator niche out there, because honestly, I don't think Christians support the Christian creators how they ought to. because they would rather watch a secular creator than sit and actually watch what a Christian creator is pushing out. Things that will edify them, things that will show them that, oh yeah, I can probably go here. It's fun, it's clean, it's good, it's godly, it's a nice, friendly environment. So I'm charging you that is watching this video right now to support Christian content creators, and I'm gonna tag a few of my Christian creators that I watch on YouTube down below. Some of their platforms may be very small. I'm only gonna tag the ones actually. Their platforms are small. Get them up to some numbers. Subscribe to them channel, support them mission, support the vision that they have. And if you're watching this video and you want to start your content creation journey, or you have started your content creation journey, I'm encouraging you to just take up your camera, take up your phone, and start. Don't worry about the quality. Don't worry about not knowing what to say. Don't worry about not knowing what to do. If the Lord is in it and he inspires you to do it, you will get the words, you will get the ideas. Content is a learning process. Reach out to me. I'm always here to help. If you have any questions, I will answer your questions. Reach out to me on Instagram. I I will help, and I will take the time out to help you. Don't be disheartened by the numbers. And I'm talking to myself right now as well. Don't be disheartened by your numbers. Don't be disheartened by your views. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep posting. Keep editing. God will work it out for you. So, with that said, here this thanks for just sitting and listening to a little sneak peek into the life of a Christian content creator. It is rewarding, it gets challenging, it's exciting, but most of all, you are doing God's work. I am doing God's work. Don't just look at content creation as just a reel or a story. Look at it as a mission of planting seeds to have someone else water so they germinate and will eventually be reaped. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have reached to the end of this video, I want you to leave a heart in the comment. Leave me a pink heart in the comment or the cross emoji. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.